Sophie, come on in.
Lily, move your fingers.
Move your fingers. They're in the way. Is there a zoom in and out?
Yeah, on top. It's like on your.
I can't see you.
Well, move. You can move that thing.
I can't see you.
Well, then
Sophie,
come here. Come look.
Sophie.
Can I hold it?
No, I'm gonna hold it. You can watch it with me though. Come on, Soph.
I'll let you make a movie in a minute. Though. You and Sophie can go make movies.
Dada.
Tell Sophie to come in.
Tell Sophie to come in here. We're gonna get a funny movie.
Scare her.
Lily, do you want to hear a funny movie we're gonna do?
What?
We're gonna scare Sophie and we're gonna make a movie out of it.
What?
What?
We're gonna scare Sophie and make a movie out of it.
No, you gotta come here first.
Tell her to come in here.
Come in here, Sophie. What? What? Get ready.
Come here. Go stand with your daddy.
Huh? Are you guys gonna be good for your new little brother?
Lily, go stand with daddy.
I know that.
Hey Lily.
Why don't you guys sing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer and I'll videotape it and then you can watch it afterwards.
Oh.
Go ahead, Soph. And
You know what's
Div.
one good thing to do? It's like start and stop because it creates sex activity in the picture. So then it's,
What?
what?
I found one of your ice cubes.
I'm just taping it.
Oh.
Ice cube. And you do
Hey Lily.
Where are you going, Lo?
Sophie.
Whoa.
Where?
Sophie.
Sophie, finish eating. Uh-oh, where'd Dad go?
What did your mommy say? Finish eating. Are you done? I got the little one. I got the little one. Oh no. You can't get us.
Go help him, Lil.